Hi, and welcome to another edition of the Edge Tuesday, brought to you by the team here at Ignite Search every week. So as you can see, I'm actually kind of like playing at the moment. This is actually a Qantas plane diverted to Jakarta, and yeah, there was a minor seal leak with one of the doors. So so I'm just gonna have a quick look at this and. Actually, this situation reminded me of how it feels when websites actually go down. So, of course, the team at Qantas is fantastic. They're taking care of things, which is great. Safety is always number one. Having the best safety record of any airline in the world. But at the same time, it does cause a bit of inconvenience. Now, you can relate this back to a website. So, if your website goes down, right, this will impact on your customers' ability to visit the website, engage and actually take action in terms of purchasing a product, signing up for a service, inquiring about it, about your business, or looking for more information. So the most important thing is that you make sure that your website stays up 100%, that you check with your servers to see what the SLA is or the service level agreement is with keeping your websites up and running, and make sure that the very basic function of keeping your website running is there. Because if your website is not running, then you won't be able to actually service your customers and your potential customers. Okay, cool. So that's the tip for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.